Enabling two-factor authentication on Cloudera data platform enhances security by requiring an additional verification step during login. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Access the admin console. Log into your Cloudera data platform as an administrator. Navigate to the admin console where you can manage user settings and security configurations. Step 2. Locate security settings. In the admin console, find the security section. This is where you will configure authentication methods, including two-factor authentication. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting to on and ensure you save the changes. This action activates the feature for all users. Step 4. Configure authentication methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Inform users. Communicate the changes to all users. Provide instructions on how to set up their two-factor authentication, including any necessary steps they need to take during their next login. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on Cloudera data platform, significantly enhancing your system's security.